I am Captain Diksha Yadav from 19 Infantry Division located at Baramulla. My question is, how can the existing legal aid schemes support a serving soldier? Say an individual posted in a remote area like Uri or Gurez, and his land is illegally encroached upon. What schemes would support him, the existing schemes? Thank you.
At this point of time, there is a problem.
I think we can approach the district Senate board. Because Punjab, of course, is established.
Sir.
Haryana will follow suit.
Sir.
And very soon we will establish those. And if a legal aid clinic is available in your district Senate board, in every district, you can always approach that district headquarters or the board. And consult, you get the legal aid.
I suppose, may I
Thank you.
just want to add one more thing to this. I suppose that there is an organization named as Ardh Sainik. Mr. Sandeep Kumar would see to it whether that's in place. That offers free legal assistance to active duty military personnel. Ardh Sainik, organizations like Ardh Sainik.
Not aware of this. New thing I'm just hearing for the first time.
Yeah, retirees, families.
Because we are afraid that such organization, if it is from Nalsa and all this good, such organization should not fleece the serving soldiers, because we are really afraid if it is from an organization.
It's attached to the legal.
Okay, then I'm not aware of that.
So you can avail the services of that. That
scheme will
organization
have
is already in
clinics
place.
everywhere in all Zilla
It will
boards.
take care at each district, yes.
With the launch of this scheme, all over the country there will be
all over the
Zilla
country,
Senate
each
boards will
district.
have legal clinics. Sir.
No, that will have to be taken care by NALSA. We will always inform NALSA that
Yes.
this can be followed.
Yes, sir, because there is a provision regarding constitution of legal service clinics in all Zilla boards. So they would have those clinics.
We can have a dedicated
Just a second,
toll-free
sir.
online number.
Yes, sir.
Kindly wait for a
And we can
moment.
integrate it with the
Yes, sir.
district Sainik boards and Zilla Sainik boards
Yes, sir.
and Salsa.
Yes, sir. That would facilitate.
So as soon as some problem arises, supposing the person calls from the toll-free number, then he's getting connected
Connected to
the
the
concerned
yes, sir,
person.
absolutely. There's no, but for this purpose, they can either have a dedicated one, or the NALSA toll-free number can be
That
that.
would be a dedicated one.
That would be the best. That would be the best.
That depends on
That would be the
Thank you, honorable dignitaries, for asking that question. Now we are connected to Leh, as we can see on the screens, and we have a question from Leh, in fact. Leh, please go on. Are we audible there? IT team, are we?
I think they are not audible.
Leh, are you there?
Yes.
Please go and ask your question, please.
Sir, we have a question as regard to the existing provision, sir. Just in case if there's anybody, sir, who is undergoing litigation pertaining to his land, sir, and there is a dispute with regard to multiple sale of that very land, sir. It's to do a lot with revenue records, sir, rather than judiciary, sir. The fraud which we come across, sir, especially in the belt of UP and Bihar, sir, where multiple sale of the same land has taken place, sir. In that kind of a situation, sir, can not just the existing legal system, sir, but also in the revenue, can we benefit something from there, sir? Thank you, sir.
So I'll request Honorable Mr. Justice Guanathan Narendra, Chief Justice High Court of Uttarakhand, to please respond to that, sir.
With regard to the local laws in Karnataka, there is a provision of restitution of possession of the land of a serving army personnel. With regard to the other states, I think the others will have to enlighten us. But with regard to Karnataka, there is a provision which enables a restitution of possession of a serving army personnel who has been illegally dispossessed.
Talking about the multiple sales.
The multiple sales, right? Irrespective of the number of sales, whoever is in possession. If the land originally belonged to a serving army personnel,
It does.
then he gets the.
Having a special law.
You can't do that. And you have a land grabbing act also, which is a deterrent to this.
Whether it relates to revenue board, civil board, or criminal board, can be dealt with by seeking legal aid at the district Senate board. That is the place where you get legal aid.
So-
How far you can go,
Yeah.
what is the correct procedure to be followed.
Some multiple sale has to be, worked out from through a civil court only. Because the third party rights have intervened in the meantime. Possibly the legal aid which we are talking about is legal aid, possibly and legal advice, and possibly in a civil court, payment of court fee. There is a provision under the Legal Services Act where the Legal Services Authority Act can provide a legal the court fee is subject to adjustment later if he succeeds. That can be done. But given in the situation, I don't know whether there have been army personnel who would get restoration of his land. That would, right. What has been said by Justice Narendra is in the context of Karnataka.
Karnataka state, yes.
But otherwise, given the facts that there is a multiple sale, it has to be through the civil court. All the people have to be, the subsequent purchasers need to be made party. Then ultimately final determination.
With regard to, again, with multiple sales, in Karnataka, there is a local act called Land Grabbing Act.
Land Grabbing Act and SC/ST PTCL Act.
That PTCL is here. The Land Grabbing Act applies across the board. So though and it's a quasi criminal proceeding like. So the offender can be imprisoned also.
Yeah. So the land grabbing in the context of the government land.
So my humble submission in this regard would be that here the question is that if there is such a situation, where does the army personnel go?
Yes.
What happens is a subsequent thing.
That's right.
So now as per the scheme and the Legal Services Authorities Act, he has to approach a legal aid clinic. Now as per the scheme, the legal aid clinics are to be established in various Zilla district, everywhere they're going to be legal aid clinics. So the concerned soldier is to approach the clinic with his problem and they would suggest how to go about it. Whatever